Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Bhatt. I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. My qualification is MSc in Computer Science from Punjab University, Lahore. I'm teaching different computer courses here. These days I'm teaching the course of IT assistant. It consists of different modules. The key modules include the web applications, databases, networking. Apart from this teaching, I also teach the students of Cambridge. I teach them ICT subject as a part-time activity. Other than that, I also develop a curricula for my own department and for NEPTTC, for GIC and some other organizations. I'm committed to empower my students with the essential digital skills. This is the need of the time. I enjoy watching geographic documentaries. Then the talk shows, I love to play badminton, and I love to travel to hill stations as well. In languages, I can speak Punjabi, Urdu, English, and Alhamdulillah, I can speak and understand Arabic as well. I can understand somehow Sindhi, Saraiki, Pothohari, and Pashto languages. So I've been in a university where there were students from the different regions from Pakistan. So they used to speak all these languages. So some of the experience I got there, it was a good experience that now I've been able to understand a little bit. I can understand what they are talking and what they are about what they are talking. So that is a good experience. So that's all about me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.